Mahnoor Salt Craft specializes in crafting exquisite Himalayan salt slabs, renowned for their unique blend of natural beauty and functional versatility. These slabs are meticulously harvested from the Khewra Salt Mine in Pakistan, one of the world's oldest and most revered sources of Himalayan salt. The salt is extracted in its pure, unrefined state, preserving its rich mineral content and distinctive pink hue. The manufacturing process at Mahnoor Salt Craft involves a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern precision. Each slab is carefully hand-cut and shaped to retain its natural crystal structure, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also ensures it maintains its inherent properties. The slabs are available in various sizes and thicknesses, catering to diverse needs, from culinary applications to decorative uses. One of the standout features of Mahnoor salt slabs is their exceptional quality. The slabs are free from any artificial additives or chemicals, ensuring a completely natural product. The salt's mineral-rich composition, including essential elements like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. In the kitchen, Himalayan salt slabs from Mahnoor Salt Craft are perfect for grilling, chilling, and serving a wide array of dishes. Their unique ability to retain and evenly distribute heat or cold enhances the flavors and textures of your culinary creations. Beyond the kitchen, these slabs also serve as elegant decorative pieces, adding a touch of sophistication to any space with their warm, natural glow. Mahnoor Salt Craft's Himalayan salt slabs are not just functional, they are a celebration of nature's artistry, embodying purity, versatility, and timeless elegance.